Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be always with you. Welcome to Global Light Path. I am Irshad Mahmood from Toronto, Canada. And topic is global roadblockers to humanity. Whenever and wherever people had deviated from the path of Allah in the past, He sent down their prophets and messengers all over the world at different times till the last and final prophet and messenger, Muhammad, peace be upon him. Re- reference Al-Quran, chapter 10, verse 47, chapter 16, verse 36, chapter 33, verse 21, chapter 40, verse 78, chapter 68, verse 4. After Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, Allah gave this responsibility on all those true Muslims who are sincerely want to do this great noble work to save humanity. We must have a group of people to learn and teach wisdom of the Quran sincerely. Education must be free for all in all categories, Quran, science, etc. We must follow those who are sincerely teaching wisdom of the Quran for free, since they are true friends of Allah and are true awliyas. Roadblockers to humanity. Roadblockers to humanity are those who don't ponder on the Quran, book of guidance. Roadblockers to humanity are those who are deviating from the Quran, book of guidance. Roadblockers to humanity are also those who don't take guidance from the Quran. Roadblockers to humanity are also those who argue negatively on the verses of the Quran. And roadblockers are also those who are waiting for someone else to come and save humanity. Roadblockers are also those who do not join the great noble mission, as well as those who do nothing to save humanity. None argue concerning the revelation of ayat of Allah, but those who disbelieve. And we have indeed made the Quran easy to understand and remember. Then is there any that will remember or receive admonition? Reference Al-Quran, chapter 54, verse 17, chapter 22, verse 32, and verse 40. If Quran cannot convince you, nothing will. Open your heart towards Allah, because to Him will you return. If you have if you haven't gone through the manual, the Quran He has sent you, and understood it properly, for sure Allah will not like it. As for those who divide their religion and break up into sects, they have no part in them, at least they are not Muslim. And their affair is with Allah. He will in the end tell them the truth of all that they did. Reference Al-Quran, chapter 6, verse 159. Intersect marriage between people of the book are the key to unite all Muslims as well. Common point, come to the common point is only the way to move forward. First thing, to teach people that we are all children of Adam and Eve, and we are all cousin brothers and cousin sisters. And globally, we are global brothers and global sisters. And let us work together and start for common points from issues. We need to note down all issues, big or small, and analyze it in detail on case-by-case method, and first start with those issues which are creating great turbulence in global economy, keeping in mind how much is too much. Repeatedly relying on same corrupt or incompetent person will not change the fortune of a nation. Do not even think to reappoint those who were failed to protect the corruption in the land. Media must play an active role regularly on bringing good guys in the programs for free. Don't be roadblockers. Be friend to Allah, friends, and join them. Forward it. Those who are really working for humanity. Thank you.